Hi, my name's Dean Renfro. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Your Marketing Doctor. And at Your Marketing Doctor, we work with local businesses in helping them improve their marketing message and the medium that they use to connect to clients and customers to bring in what? More sales. More sales involves sales training, right? And everybody struggles with sales training. I struggle with it. Business owners struggle with it. It's a difficult thing sometimes, and sometimes we never master it. But recently I was introduced to Matt Easton at Easton University, and it changed my whole perspective about sales. Matt is a great trainer, a great presenter. He's not boring, to say the least. And hey, even sometimes he's funny. But when it comes to sales and sales training, Matt's all business. He provides a great format to help you learn how to be better at sales. I recently used one of the lessons that Matt taught and the technique out of it, and used it to create a $10,000 sale. I'm excited. To say the least, I recommend Matt and Easton University to help you with your sales.